Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to read Oxford Reading Tree. My dad. Dad put on big trousers. Hurry up. Dad put on big boots. Hurry up. Dad put on a big jacket. Hurry up. Dad put on a big hat. Hurry up. Dad put on a big gloves. Hurry, hurry. Dad got on a big fire engine. Nee-naw, nee-naw, nee-naw. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, press the button below and like my videos. See you soon with the next story. Bye bye.